Do you want to know how you can rename your chats or your previous prompts in Bing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can rename your chats in Bing AI. Go ahead and open Bing AI, which is on your phone. Now click on Copilot, which you can see on the middle of the screen, and then click on the lines, which you can see on the left hand side. Click on the three lines and then you can see the previous chats. Go ahead and click on the previous chat and then click on the three dots, which you can see on the right hand corner. Now you can see the rename option. Click on rename, remove this and then write down the name of the file you want to save. Then you can see that the name has been changed. So this is how you rename a file in Bing AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.